In this lesson, we'll learn some useful functions from the math module to extend our math capabilities. But first of all, we'll need to import that module. We can print out some constants that we have access to out of the box. So math.py and math.e. Let's launch the code, and here are the results. There are some other interesting values which we have access to via this math module. For that, let me copy over a couple of print statements and I'll modify them. So the first value is NaN, which stands for not a number. The other one is INF, so this is the infinity. And then we can also have a negative infinity. So this is the same infinity, but with a prepended minus sign. Let's launch it. So we can use these constants and values in our math expressions. And apart from that, we have an access to some trigonometry functions as well, such as sine, cosine, and tangent. And so we can use it in our trigonometry expressions. Let's save the value into the direction variable. We could write something like math.cos and then math.pi divided by 4, which is a 45-degree angle. So then we can write a print function to print that cosine value. But first, let's do the sine function as well. So I'll print or put it inside the print function straight away. So math.sin, and we have the same math.pi divided by 4. Let's print that out, and you see they are pretty much equal. Now let's see how we can round up the values with the help of this math module. I'm talking about the ceiling and floor functions. So first of all, let's define some variables with some values. So if you remember, some time ago, there was this sitcom with good old Charlie, which was called 2.5 Men. And let's see what's going to happen if we'll apply function sail and function floor to this man variable with the value 2.5. So the sail function will round the value of that man variable to the smallest integer greater than or equal to that value. So it will round it upwards to 3, and the floor function, on the contrary, will round it downwards to 2. And as you can see, the results are 3 and 2.